He was snoring. Then suddenly, he stopped. His wife thought it was snoring until she noticed his breathing stops. David was a hard-working man, always showing up, always pushing through. But lately, he was always tired. The kind of tired that sleep couldn't fix. The moment his head hits the pillow, he falls asleep. Then the snoring begins. One night, his wife noticed something strange. The snoring stopped. And David had stopped breathing. Then, suddenly, he gasped. She shook him. Dave, are you okay?
Oh no, I'm fine. There's nothing.
One afternoon, his eyes closed while driving. Then, he decided to pay closer attention. At the hospital, the doctor told him, your breathing stops while you sleep, and that drops your oxygen level. It's called sleep apnea. Your airway closes, you stop breathing, and your body struggles for oxygen. If ignored, sleep apnea can raise your blood pressure, affect your heart, and make you dangerously tired. The doctor advised David to make some lifestyle changes and adopt better sleeping habits. And gradually, things changed. He started sleeping better. The snoring reduced. The pulses stopped. And for the first time in a long while, he woke up truly rested. His wife still remembers those nights when the silence felt wrong, because silence isn't always peaceful. Sometimes it's a warning. If you snore loudly, feel tired every day, or stop breathing in your sleep, don't ignore it.